STARwave, microwave ablation system. STARwave, antenna and generator. Meet STARwave, designed with a minimalist, functional exterior, optimized for the modern procedure room. It supports dual channels, so you can use 2 antennas. Clinically optimized energy algorithms deliver microwave power in precise pulses. This helps minimize popping and unintended tissue damage for stable and predictable ablation. Power, time, and temperature are visible at a glance on the display. You can adjust output and settings during the procedure without restarting. Ablation begins at the active tip of the antenna, creating a precise, expansive, spherical zone. STARwave can deliver more heat in a shorter time and create a larger ablation zone, potentially reducing treatment time and minimizing the heat sink effect. Ceramic antennas are available in 13 and 15 gauges, with lengths of 15, 18, 20, and 25 centimeters. A high-precision triangular tip allows direct electrode insertion without the need for an incision. The water cooling system keeps conditions optimal and maintenance simple. By minimizing charring, it supports safety and long-term efficacy. With a temperature probe connected to the generator, you can monitor temperature in real time to guide your technique. Bigger, rounder ablation zones. STARwave, microwave ablation system.